Welcome back to the channel. 2026 GMC Motorhome, a true blend of heritage, technology, and modern-day comfort on wheels. If you're a travel lover or a fan of futuristic RVs, this one is going to impress you. Starting from the exterior, the 2026 GMC Motorhome makes an instant statement on the road with its bold design and aerodynamic shape. GMC has gone with a futuristic yet classic bodyline, taking inspiration from its legendary motorhomes of the past. The sleek LED headlamps, a wide chrome grille, and integrated daytime running lights create a powerful front look. On the sides, you'll notice flush-mounted windows for a seamless finish, along with automatic retractable steps that make entry effortless. The extended panoramic windshield not only improves visibility but also gives the motorhome a luxury tour bus vibe. At the rear, sleek vertical tail lights, a hidden storage trunk, and high-mounted cameras for 360-degree view add both style and safety. The entire body sits on high-strength lightweight aluminium combined with composite panels, ensuring durability while keeping it efficient for long journeys. The roof is fully solar integrated, helping to charge onboard batteries and making this RV partially self-sustainable. Moving to the interior, this is where the 2026 GMC Motorhome truly feels like a 5-star hotel on wheels. The cabin welcomes you with a spacious living area featuring smart leather recliners, real wood accents, and ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to your mood. The living room flows into a fully equipped modern kitchen with a large fridge, induction cooktop, microwave, and even a dishwasher, all designed with energy efficiency in mind. Right next to it is a compact yet premium dining space with a foldable table, giving flexibility to create more room when not in use. As we move further inside, the master bedroom is designed for maximum comfort. A king-sized bed with memory foam mattress, hidden storage compartments, and large side windows for natural light make it feel luxurious. GMC has also included advanced climate control, so whether you're in the desert or the mountains, the temperature stays perfect. The bathroom is equally impressive with a rainfall shower, heated floors, a smart toilet, and high-end finishes in marble-inspired textures. What really sets the interior apart is its smart technology integration. The entire RV can be controlled from a central touch screen or even a mobile app, whether it's adjusting the lights, checking tank levels, or monitoring power usage. Now let's take a look under the hood, because GMC has made sure this motorhome is not just about luxury but also about performance. Powering the 2026 GMC Motorhome is a hybrid V8 engine paired with an electric drive system, giving both raw power and eco-friendly efficiency. The hybrid system ensures long-distance travel without constantly worrying about fuel stops, and when combined with the solar-powered battery system, you can even go off-grid for days. It comes with adaptive air suspension for a smooth ride regardless of terrain, and advanced driver assistance systems such as lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automated parking, making this large motorhome surprisingly easy to drive. The transmission is an advanced 10-speed automatic tuned for towing and long-haul stability, while the braking system uses regenerative technology to recharge batteries while slowing down. This combination of traditional GMC power and futuristic innovation makes the 2026 Motorhome a true road beast. Finally, let's talk about pricing. The 2026 GMC Motorhome starts at around $230,000 for the base trim, but depending on customization, luxury packages, and technology add-ons, the price can easily climb to $300,000 or more. For buyers seeking the ultimate luxury and independence on the road, this investment brings unmatched comfort, advanced features, and a timeless GMC design that will hold strong value for years. So that wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 GMC Motorhome, a perfect balance of luxury living, smart technology, and powerful performance. If you loved this review and want more exclusive content on the latest luxury vehicles and motorhomes, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned to Luxury Car Vibes for more amazing automotive journeys.